back
Stop.
to Devore Wild. The kids are in great moods. Anyway, we are taking them to the Idaho Falls craft store because you can buy a pumpkin between $1.50 and $6, and they supply you with paint and you can paint them. So I thought that'd be a fun little activity to do. Make sure to hit the subscribe button.
So the thing is not today, it's like in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah, so we're just gonna like leave soon. And yeah.
So even though I got it wrong, we still got to come in here and look, and it's super cool in here.
There's a little dog.
I got it 2 weeks wrong. I don't know.
Mom, how much are these?
Look how cute this stuff is. Stop. Don't touch, guys.
Are these free?
No, they're not free.
How much
What do
are
they make
these?
crafts with? I don't know.
I wanna make
That's for my mom. She watches this vlog because she hates frogs. Okay, so we're not going to paint pumpkins because I got the dates wrong by 2 weeks. That's why I wasn't showing up when I was trying to go to events today.
Let's go to McDonald's.
No, I don't have money for McDonald's. We'll figure something else out. So I'm not sure what we're going to do. We're just kind of driving around right now. Just looking at stuff.
What does it say?
Okay, so since I got everything wrong, we're at Winco. We're gonna get some hot chocolate and some donuts.
Around because we're bored and it's really cold in here. But you guys wanna go look at the Halloween stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna look at Halloween stuff because Halloween is great. Wait, don't we have?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's basically all that's happening.
Oh, these are so cute, Allie.
Kennedy was crying, but I think she's all better now. You all better? You got your candy?
Did you get your candy?
Hey, don't cry.
What happened? What? Candy. Oh, okay. Hey, look. Are you gonna have donuts too? Let's see what the donuts are.
Yay.
Okay, so we got some donuts. And I'm gonna make some hot chocolate. You should have a donut.
Yeah,
What
so
if
Mark,
we
have a
tie
donut.
you down on the table and force them down your throat? Okay, well, if you want hot chocolate, there's some, and there's donuts.
Alright.
Do you want some herbal tea? Do you want a cup of noodles?
Jack is marshmallows.
Do you want me to leave you alone?
Parker, I don't want to talk. Just kidding, JK.
Why don't you have a donut?
Me?
Yeah.
He has to go to conference.
Do you want a cookie?
What does that mean?
Kennedy, is that good hot chocolate?
Temple for Cocoa.
Do you want more marshmallows?
Sugar Jesus will let you have a donut.
Sit on the floor. What is that? Oh, it's a bologna sandwich.
Hey, man.
Are you hungry?
Yeah?
So real life, today has been hard, I'm not gonna lie. Started off the grumpy kids, I was grumpy, Adam was grumpy. I thought the pumpkin painting thing would be fun, and then it wasn't going on because I messed up, and then we were gonna go to like Michael's or Hobby Lobby and get like pumpkins to paint, or the Dollar Tree, but the pumpkins at the place were only gonna be $1 for the small ones, and the paint would have been free, and I don't have that stuff, so I'm like, oh, gotta wait till we get paid, which is on Tuesday. I was just trying to find something fun for us to do as a family, and it didn't work out. So we ended up at Winco. I thought, okay, I'll do donuts, grab some hot chocolate, pop in a movie, invite Alex and Parker's friends over. But Kennedy was super hard at the store, and Wesley and Jillian kept fighting. Oh my gosh, they were fighting so bad in the car. And they got home and just ravaged the donuts. I barely got any clips of it, as you saw. It's just been one of those days. I'm gonna label this video a real life Saturday. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Oh, and of course, chicken tendies.